name's Bila and this is Shazi. We are going to be cooking a vegetable that's high in vitamin K. Can you guys think of it? It's okra. Do you know what okra is? Come on.
I'm guessing it's bhindi.
It's bhindi. We call it bhindi. And you only need 10 minutes. This is my go-to dish when I'm very tired and I need to get something delicious on the table. So I'm sure you can spare 10 minutes. That's it, and it'll be done. Do you start, Chef Shazi?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's start. Okay. So turn the grill on. Wait till the pan warms up for 1 minute. All right. So wait 1 minute patiently.
And then we put in the oil, and we've got 2 tablespoons of oil, olive oil.
Yeah, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So just put that in.
1 whole chili and 1 big teaspoon of cumin seeds.
Yes. So let's put those cumin seeds in and the big chili pepper, whatever thing it is. All right, those are in. All right. After that,
Why don't you let them just get a little golden brown?
okay.
So the whole key is when you start smelling the cumin, you know it's ready. I can smell it. Can you smell that?
Yeah.
Yep.
So, of course, we need to get that flavor.
A teaspoon of garlic salt.
Yes. Now let's just get all that garlic salt in there.
3 cups of cut okra.
Yeah, 2 cups of.
And we went to the local Indian store and picked it up.
Oof. This looks good.
Use your spoon. So the key is to cook it on high for about 3 minutes.
Yeah.
And you have to keep on stirring it. Well, the okra kind of absorbs all the oil. That's why we're using a non-stick pan. Now we can add this is tamarind and date chutney. Mix that around, please, so it doesn't caramelize. There you go. And this adds a little bit of that sweet and spicy flavor to the okra. And you can buy that at the local Indian store. And we added 1 tablespoon of that. And basically, the okra is just completely just soaking up all those.
You can see all it's like some.
And the reason why you cook it on high is because otherwise it'll get all slimy, and you don't want slimy okra. That doesn't taste good. Okay, so now that you're seeing it's been 3 minutes, and you have constantly have to stir it, we're gonna cover it.
All right, so it's cooked like 3 minutes or
3 minutes. Why don't you check it? Let's see 3 minutes. Can you open it and check and stir? We don't want it to burn.
so far okay. So far so good.
You know what? It actually looks like it's almost done. I think we're ready to put the fried onions in. There's the fried onions. And we did a 1/3 of a cup of fried onions. You can buy those at your local market, a South Asian market. Now, you know the reason why we put the onions after the turmeric is completely been absorbed? Because if we add the onions when we put the turmeric, it's going to all get all goopy and stick together, and we don't want that. A lot of people make the mistake of overcooking okra. You don't want it overcooked. You don't want mushy goopy. You still want it to have a little bit of its firmness. I'm going to add lemon juice. We just did. You can do anywhere from half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and that basically neutralizes that sweet taste, so it balances it out. Okay. Now
So the timer's done now.
the timer just went off, and that was our 5-minute timer. Put in the cilantro. Okay. So literally from the time
You are getting the smell right now.
Alright, Shaz, you need to turn turn the stove off.
All right.
Now, it's exactly been 5 minutes from the time we turned the stove on.
And plus,
and you're done. You just turn it. So now what I do is put the cover on so that for another 2 minutes, so that it can sit for a little while, and then we're ready to serve it.
All right. So that 2 minutes, you can get all the stuff ready. You can get the plates out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my plate out right now.
You just watched Shazi cook the okra. Sorry, I was gonna say bhindi.
Yeah.
You just saw him cook it in. It's been 7 minutes now. Our time, 7 minutes, and 5 minutes of actual cooking, and then it's been sitting for 2 minutes. So that's our 7 minutes, and we still have 3 minutes to spare, so we can plate everything, which I'm gonna help him do. Shazi, can you pick up the lid? Perfect. There you go. Look at that. Yummy.
Yep.
Okay. So, yeah, there you go.
There. So that's all of it. Yep.
Alright. Giving it a shake. That's very, very hot. You get a fork, I get a fork.
Okay.
Alright.
It's kind of hot.
It's very hot. No, you like eating it with yogurt, huh?
Yeah.
You did a great job.
Really good.
You know, you need to start taking over my job in the kitchen.
I don't think so.
I think we can add a little bit more salt.
Yeah.
But that depends on everybody. Some people want more salt, some people like less salt. However you like it. We've just shown you a great dish that you can make in 10 minutes. So, get to it, have fun. Ready? Should we say bye to everybody? Can you stop for a minute? Thank you for watching us. Please do like us. We're on Facebook. And share our videos. Thanks. Take care. Bye.
I love this bhindi. It's really, really good. You can, if you make it too, and you try it, you're gonna eat this all the time.